The journey of food from taste to digestion. Part 1.
What happened, children? Is your mouth watering upon seeing me? You are all little children. Even the adults cannot control themselves to drool upon seeing me. Everyone likes to eat me and my friends, as we are not only tasty, but provide you with all the nutrients which are required for your health and growth. A few of my friends also take care of your taste buds, and that is why you all like them a lot. But if these food items are eaten in adequate quantity, they will never harm you. Today in this video, I will take you through the journey of food in your body.
Hey friends, there is a fair in our village today. Let's all go there. Wow, a fair? Let's go. It is going to be fun. We shall eat chaat, golgappe, play on swings, buy bangles, bindis. Let's go soon.
They all reached the fair and played on the swings, had fun.
Let's go and eat pani puri. My mouth is watering at the mere mention of its name. Before eating these yummy golgappas, I can begin to get the tangy taste in my mouth. I like the tangy taste. What taste do you like, Geeta? Oh, these are very spicy. I will have to eat something sweet quickly. I am relieved after eating something sweet. How is it possible for our mouth to differentiate between the various tastes?
Meenu starts thinking, how does her tongue do this amazing job of differentiating between tastes? How do we come to know about the different tastes like sweet, spicy, bitter and sour? With this question in her mind, Meenu returns home with her friends. Meenu asks her mother her question.
Mother, how can we know about the taste of something sour before eating it? Or how is it that certain food items provide us with their taste without tasting them?
Mother thought for some time, then said,
Go and call your friends, Meenu. I will do a fun experiment with all of you to answer your question.
Meenu goes running to call her friends. When all of them arrive, Mother was in the kitchen and she had displayed a few things.
All right, children. How is the taste of this?
Raw mango, sour, very sour. I like this taste a lot.
Okay, children. How is the taste of this?
Red chili? My God! It's very spicy. I do not like the spicy taste.
Children, there is a tongue in our mouth. There is a specified place for each taste like sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Ramesh, open a big mouth, beta, and show your tongue.
Children, next time you eat something, remember the different taste buds on your tongue. Meenu's mother had boiled some eggs, and Geeta and Meenu did not like the smell of the eggs, while Ramesh was unaffected by the smell of the boiled eggs.
Ramesh, how is it that you do not dislike the smell of boiled eggs?
Meenu, I have a blocked nose because of cold. Look, children, when we have cold, Our nasal passages are blocked, hence we cannot smell things properly. This is the reason that Ramesh cannot smell the boiled eggs. There are a few things like boiled eggs, fish, pakore, samosas, whose smell make us get their taste on our mouth.
Yes, mother, like the bitter medicine you give me when I am unwell.
I shall give you an idea. Next time, whenever you have to take a medicine, close your nostrils with your hand. This way, you will not smell the medicine and it will not taste too bitter as well.
Friends, you also try the idea Meenu's mother has suggested.
With the mere mention of the medicine's name, my mouth has become bitter. Mother, please give us the fruits father had brought.
Sure, I will just give you the fruits.
Mausi, some fruits are so hard.
Yes, children, certain fruits are hard. There is saliva in our mouth which mixes with food and softens it and gives us taste.
My grandfather advises that we should eat our food slowly and chew it well, or else our stomach will ache.
Absolutely right. We don't have to chew soft food. However, hard food items like guava, roti, we have to chew properly. We should chew our food 32 times so that it mixes well with saliva and goes easily down the food pipe into the stomach.
What? 32 times?
Children, you should also chew your food at least 32 times.
Mausi, today you have provided us with meaningful information about different tastes. Thank you.
Mausi, I want to ask you a question. What happens when food travels from our mouth to our stomach?
Now we shall talk about this later. It's almost evening and your mother would be waiting for you.
Alright, Mausi, then let's meet tomorrow. I'm curious to know more about this wonderful journey of food.
Children, I hope you liked this video and the information provided in it will prove useful to you. In the next video, we will discuss about digestion. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy.